Hello Aquarius, welcome to the November 2021 reading for you. This is a general read and will not resonate with all of you. So please accept only what resonates. Let's get started with one message for you from the universe, from the Oracle, the Angel Answers deck. Reconsider. So this is your overall message. Let's get the tarot cards. So from your recent past energies, your current energies, and what's coming towards you. Let's get your recent past energies, Aquarius. I hope you had a wonderful October and that the rest of the year will be very good for you, Aquarius. Thanks for joining me. So let's get your recent past energies. Please do give me a like, share and subscribe if you have liked my past, the other readings. Okay, so your recent past has two cards coming out. One is the Strength card and the other is the Hierophant. So this is your recent past energies, the Strength and the Hierophant cards together. Let's see what is in your current. The Scorpio season that's coming could be one of significance for you. Yeah, so what's come out is the Three of Wands in the reverse. This is your current energies. Now what's coming towards you? What's coming towards you is the Queen of Cups and the Star energy. The Queen of Cups and the Star. So the Star is your card. It's a card of healing, wish fulfillment, and what the Queen of Cups indicates heart energy, emotions, intuition. Somebody, Scorpio, or somebody, a water sign you're attached to. At the end of the deck is the Five of Wands. All right, so so I think you have to kind of decide on something. You are in the recent past energies. You must have been conforming. You must have been kind of gathering strength to withstand a solution that required commitment. And in the current, it's going to be the Three of Wands in the reverse, which indicates that you're feeling frustrated at things not quite matching up to your expectations, or things you having to indefinitely wait for some sort of a decision or an outcome. What's coming towards you is the Queen of Cups and the Star, which is very good energy. What you're wishing for is definitely on its way, if it is not already coming towards you. Let's get the clarifiers, Aquarius. So let's see why the Strength card is here. Temperance. So probably Temperance is also a card of balance, a card of divine blessings, etc., which means that the mental peace and strength that comes from divine blessings is with you. This also means that you're having lot of support from the divine in order to have a balanced situation. This was your past energies, as I can see. So you are utilizing a lot of willpower and strength to be balanced, to remain balanced in a particular situation. Let's see why the Hierophant is here. All right, but Hierophant indicated by the High Priestess. So the Hierophant and the High Priestess both are equal cards. So which means that you are probably in a spiritual partnership or a connection, or your divine masculine, divine feminine energies are much balanced, and this is kudos to your this is because of the great mental strength that you have. And or this could also mean that in the recent past you came across somebody who is a divine counterpart or a spiritual counterpart, and the yin and the yang side of your in your case, your higher self, which is a balance between the divine masculine and the divine feminine, is much in balance. It was balanced. I think this is because there is a lot of divine blessings coming your way, Aquarius. All right, the Nine of Pentacles. So this could also mean that you are becoming self-sufficient, or somebody else connected to you is. Let's see why the Three of Wands is in the reverse. The Five of Pentacles. Somebody's feeling left out in the cold, somebody's feeling insecure, and that somebody's feeling shortchanged. If things have not been working out as expected, I think that's you, or it could be somebody connected to you. So, or the higher authority in the recent past, somebody who you had been reporting to, or somebody who you had been conforming to, whose ideals you had been adjusting with, is it's time to get a freedom from such kind of limiting thoughts, or higher. The structure or balance can be intimidating sometimes, and probably you're getting away from such limitations or thoughts. Now, in the recent past, somebody is feeling left out in the cold and insecure about something. Financially, they feel a sort of a lack, or they fear that time is running out for them. All right. 3 cards came out. No, that's a lot of cards. Okay, the Seven of Pentacles. Somebody is really tired of waiting, or somebody is waiting for their ships to come in, but it's taking a lot of time, and then they badly want a new beginning, a new job, or a new career direction, and it could be you. It's all pentacles here. So somebody's tired of waiting for the financial situation to come around. Let's see why the Queen of Cups is here. Who is this Queen of Cups? It's your heart space, probably, Aquarius, and you wish healing, and that's coming towards you, or a new direction, or spiritual gains, or spiritual gifts, or whatever it is coming towards you. Yeah, it's explained by the Ten of Wands. So somebody is wishing to get ahead of their problems. The Lovers, the Seven of Wands, and the Ten of Swords. The 10-10 indicates a new beginning, a cycle ending, and somebody is defending their right to love themselves, or somebody is defending their right to get on with a spiritual connection in their life. They're finally finding healing. They're putting an end to all the the kind of things they had to put up with in the past, and they're defending their right to do this, and they're embracing themselves, their higher self. They're embracing their higher power. It could be you, Aquarius. Now let's see why the Star card is here. The Star is your card, so it automatically means that you are embracing change, you're welcoming healing into your life, and you are getting ahead. You're balancing things. The Two of Pentacles, you're finally in balance. You're in the past, probably you were struggling to have some sort of a balance in your life, but this is coming towards you. Let's get 2 more cards. The Eight of Swords and the Fool. So you're putting an end to the mental challenge, sorry, the kind of mental conflict and challenges in your life, and you're going to make a decision about something, Aquarius. This indicates something that is very close to your heart, and the Fool card indicates a new beginning for you. It's going to be a leap of faith. If you have not already done this, this Ace of Pentacles and this Fool card indicates a new job, a new career direction, a new challenge. So let's see why the Reconsider card is here. Reconsider. What is it that Spirit wants you to reconsider? The Nine of Cups. So it could be that what you want is not actually what you wished for, is probably what is not what is you are going to get. Okay, it is something that your higher self is wishing for. Your higher self says something is good for you, and that this is probably some sort of a learning for you. And if you don't get what you want, then basically this is what you need. Okay, so this is the message I have for you, Aquarius. Do let me know in the comments if this resonated. Thanks for watching me, and do join me for my the mid-November reading. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.